Hello and good morning. You're tuning to Market Café. I'm Ankita Saxena with me, Srishti Sharma. In the next half an hour, we'll take you through all that transpired in the global markets, the geopolitics, the markets, and everything that will impact the opening of the D Street today. So let's get going with how Wall Street shaped up. Now, remember, the oil prices have been on the boil, and they topped actually $103 per barrel. And on the back of that, we did see major averages on Wall Street that came off their highs, even though they shut shop in the green. They cooled off from the highest point of the day. In fact, if you look at the S&P 500, that finished the session about 0.3% higher. Nasdaq also climbed around 0.5%, and Dow Jones was very marginal in the green, though. Climbed 0.1%. It was off the day's high, like I mentioned, on the back of the elevated crude oil prices. I remember Donald Trump also said on Truth Social yesterday that he did not need the help of NATO countries, coalition, the coalition that he had signaled on Monday to help protect the ships, attempting to travel through the Strait of Hormuz. He said he did not need feel the need to for the NATO countries to help US in this. And on the back of that, we did see crude prices that jumped up, and that had an impact on Wall Street. That was trading at the highest point, but cooled off after the oil prices touched $103 per barrel. But more on the commodities. Srishti, what are you picking up?
Absolutely nothing much, Ankita. Very good morning, first of all. But what we're getting to see is that for now, crude is trading absolutely flat around that $102 per barrel mark when it comes to the gold as well as silver prices. No significant movement, but yes, oil is seen to be slipping for a bit. It's WTI as well as Brent crude that is having a bit of a red tinge on the prices as per the movement, but nothing much when it comes to the gold as well as silver prices. Market seems to be in a wait and watch mode because do remember there is the crucial FOMC meet that is lined up for this particular week. The markets are waiting for the commentary coming in from Fed, and maybe then we can have a reaction on the precious metal side. But yes, the crude oil prices are definitely being governed by what's been happening in West Asia, but seems like it's been quite a day for the crude prices and no significant movement as such.